Becoming a millionaire might seem like an impossible dream, especially if you're starting with nothing. But the truth is, many millionaires didn't start with a huge inheritance or a winning lottery ticket. They built their wealth from the ground up. The good news is, you can too. Today, I'll walk you through the key steps to go from zero to millionaire, no matter where you're starting. First things first, the mindset. The journey to becoming a millionaire starts with how you think. Most people believe that wealth is something that happens to other people, but millionaires know that it's something you build. If you want to create wealth, you need to shift from a scarcity mindset, thinking there's not enough money to go around, to an abundance mindset, where you believe in your ability to earn, grow, and manage wealth. This shift is crucial because it drives your decisions and actions. Instead of saying, "I can't afford that," ask yourself, "How can I afford that?" Next, it's important to live below your means. This is one of the most basic, yet overlooked principles of building wealth. It doesn't matter how much money you make if you're spending all of it. Start by creating a budget that tracks your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back, even if it's just a little at first. The goal is to free up money that you can save and invest. Millionaires know how to delay gratification, they don't spend to impress others, and they prioritize saving for the future. Once you've got your spending under control, the next step is to pay off high-interest debt. If you're carrying credit card debt or other loans with high interest rates, this should be your top priority. Why? Because the interest you're paying on those debts is eating away at your ability to save and invest. Focus on paying down your debt as quickly as possible, starting with the highest interest loans. The faster you eliminate this debt, the more money you'll have to put toward building your wealth. Now, let's talk about saving and investing. Once your debt is under control, it's time to start building wealth. The first thing you need is an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This gives you a safety net in case something unexpected happens, like losing your job or facing an emergency expense. Once you have that, it's time to start investing. This is where your money starts to work for you. Even if you're starting small, consistent investing over time can lead to massive growth thanks to compound interest. One of the best ways to invest is through index funds or ETFs. These are collections of stocks that track the performance of the overall market. They're low cost and low risk, making them a great option for beginners. By investing in an index fund, you're essentially buying a small piece of many companies, spreading out your risk while still allowing your money to grow over time. Don't be discouraged if you can only start with a small amount. The key is to start investing regularly, even if it's just a few dollars each month. Another key to building wealth is creating multiple streams of income. Most millionaires don't rely on just one source of income. You might start by picking up a side hustle or freelancing in your spare time. As you build skills, you can increase your rates or turn your side hustle into a full-time business. The more streams of income you have, the faster you can build wealth and the more secure your financial situation will be. Lastly, don't forget the importance of education and continuous learning. Millionaires are always looking for ways to improve themselves, learn new skills, and stay ahead of the curve. Whether it's reading books on personal finance, taking an online course, or attending seminars, investing in yourself is one of the best things you can do. The more you learn, the more you earn. So, to recap, the steps to building wealth from scratch are: adopting a millionaire mindset, living below your means, paying off high-interest debt, saving and investing, creating multiple streams of income, and constantly educating yourself. These steps won't make you a millionaire overnight, but with consistency, discipline, and patience, they can set you on the path to financial freedom. Are you ready to take the first step? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial success.